In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a machine learning project from GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step is to create a code space. So head over to the GitHub website and find the Codespaces Jupyter template repository. Once you're there, click on the Use this template button. After that, look for the option that says Open in a Codespace and click on it. What happens next is super exciting. A code space for the template will open up in a web-based version of Visual Studio Code. Now that you're in your code space, let's move on to opening the image classifier notebook. The default container image provided by GitHub Codespaces comes packed with a set of machine learning libraries that we'll find super handy for our project. These include popular libraries like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, and more. If you want to learn more about this setup, you can check out the Introduction to Dev Containers documentation. Inside the VS Code editor, close any Get Started tabs that may pop up, as they're not going to help us right now. Next, open the notebook file titled imageclassifier.ipnb. This notebook contains all the code needed for downloading a dataset, training a neural network, and evaluating its performance. Once you have the notebook open, look for the button that says Run All. This will allow you to execute all of the notebook cells at once. If you're prompted to select a kernel source, just choose Python environments and select the version of Python suggested at the top of the list. Simple, right? After that, scroll through to view the output of each cell. You'll notice a section labeled Step 3, Train the Network and Save Model. It's really exciting watching the code work its magic. Now, let's talk about opening your codespace in JupyterLab. You can do that from the Your Codespaces page at github.com/codespaces or by using the GitHub CLI if you prefer command line tools. A quick tip here, the JupyterLab application must be installed in the codespace you are opening. Don't worry though, because if you use the default dev container image, JupyterLab should already be there. Next up is configuring NVIDIA CUDA for your codespace. But keep in mind that this step is only relevant if you have access to machines that use a GPU. Some software may require NVIDIA CUDA for utilizing your codespace's GPU. If that's the case for you, you will need to create a custom configuration by using a devcontainer.json file and specifying that CUDA should be installed. To do this, open the devcontainer/devcontainer.json file in your editor. Here, you want to add a features object with specific settings to ensure CUDA and QDNN will be installed. Your updated file should look something like this. Customizations, vextensions, mspython.python, mstools.features, ghcr.io/devcontainers/features/nvidia CUDA1, install CUDN, true. After you've made those updates, save the changes. Then access the VS Code command palette by either pressing Shift-Command-P on a Mac or Control-Shift-P on a PC. Start typing rebuild and select the option that says Codespaces Rebuild Container. This process could take a few minutes to complete, but once it's done, the codespace will reopen automatically and you'll be ready to go. Lastly, don't forget to publish your changes to a repository. This way, CUDA will be installed in any new codespace you create from this repository in the future. And that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you find this helpful for your machine learning projects, and be sure to tune